Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest method to install ESign and Sideload IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without jailbreaking. This works on iOS 16, iOS 17, and the latest iOS 18.3.1. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Safari, and then open SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description. Then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the DNS profile on your iOS device. Now open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install DNS profile in your iOS device. Now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device. Simply open it. Now you will see different ESign links there. Simply hit on Get on any one of the link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iOS device. If you already tried it before, I will suggest you try the first link. If one link don't work, then you can try other links to install ESign. Once ESign is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, you will see that the ESign app will start working without any problem. Now open the SKIBIDI Tech app again. Then hit on the certificates at bottom. Now simply hit on Get on the same name cert in which you have used to install ESign app. Then simply hit on Open In, and then hit on Save to Files, and then hit Save to save the cert in your iOS device.
Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side, finally alive.
Now open the ESign app again, and then hit on three dots on top, and then hit on Import. Then select the downloaded ESign cert, and then hit Import again. Now we are good to use ESign app. Simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device, and then open ESign app, and then hit on three dots on top, and then hit Import, and then select the IPA file you want to install, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps, and then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit on Signature.
I remember everything.
Then hit on More Settings, now scroll down at bottom, and then enable second last option, and then hit Signature.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iOS device. And that's it. Now you can install and use apps on your iPhone or iPad without a PC or jailbreak. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.